Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, and then press and hold and drag to top like this for add in top navigation bar. So now we add, for example, this button, data saver, click back for save. Now we add data saver and a screen record button, so press it. And before start record, we got record audio options. Here we got switcher to turn off or turn on this option. And if we tap on this option, we can change, for example, device audio, microphone audio, or device audio and microphone. If you want, for example, only device audio, choose this option and activate this and tap start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.